To replace the sponge, lift the tank out, raise the roller transport assembly. Raise the sealant brush upright so you can remove the reservoir tray. Then, from the back side of the machine, slide the tray out. It will be full of sealant, so be careful not to spill any into the machine. Pull the old sponge and bracket from the tray. Insert the new one with the sponge side at the back towards the reservoir, until flush while squeezing the sponge bracket. Then slide the tray back into the machine. From the front of the machine, flip the brush back down. Lower the transport assembly and reinsert the sealant tank.